Back with Humphrey Hale this morning from Carnavale Resources. Humphrey, morning.
Morning, Andrew. Good to see you again.
Look, out of a trading hold this morning, Humphrey raised $2.2 million. An excellent result given a fairly tough market out there.
It is a tough market, Andrew. The small cap zone is very quiet. We've got some strong support from our own shareholders. We got great support from Canaccord. They did a superb job with Argonaut backing that up, and we got 2.2. We went out for two, and we got more than we wanted. It helps us continue our project and go exploring. So, difficult to get the money, but we got a bit more than we set out to achieve. So, well supported.
And as you say, this positions you well to continue advancing the Kookynie Gold Project. What are the plans?
Yeah, so we've got our scoping study that we put out with that great metallurgy, and the fact that we've already applied for our mining license. That's behind us, and we're moving forward. So it was a new discovery, and we outlined a niche, very, very high grade deposit, but not so many ounces. We're going to build on that and drill deeper beneath the highest grade at the Swiftsure deposit beneath the pit, and then move north and south long strike on that main structure underneath Tiptoe and Valiant, where the opportunity is a bit shallower. So that's our plan, and progress all that's required for the mining license.
There's also further potential at Champion South and McTavish North, is there?
There certainly is, and we'll be looking at those things as well. Our plan is really to grow the deposit around Swiftsure, to add to that scoping study development, to build a value and resource ounces into the project to add value to the company.
How much of your current resource, Humphrey's, within the indicated category?
So with the scoping study was based on 74% indicated. So that's pretty good. I think the resources of around 90,000 ounces is 64% indicated. So those are the sort of numbers at the moment. We hope to grow those resources by 2 or 3 times if we're good enough. And if you look at Never Never and Spartan, it could be just under your nose.
What was the gold price you used within the scoping study?
The scoping study used 3,500, and I'm happy you said that today, Andrew, because the gold has reached highest ever prices, and in Aussie terms, I think I calculated this morning that it's 3,825 Aussie. So that adds another 15 million to our MPV to take it over $100 million of value with an MPV, which is outstanding for our small project.
And it's a low Capex project.
With no mill to build, the Capex is very small. So initial Capex is 3 million, with a total drawdown of approximately 13 million in month 8. So an easy project to develop for the company, or do a deal with a mid-tier person who wants to add very high grade, very profitable ounces to their mill feed.
Well, that's what I was going to say. Are you considering some monetization options?
Well, we're here to maximize value for shareholders, and we see things like the Spectrum deal with Ramelius, the Vivian deal with Ramelius, the way Northern Star has acquired ounces out of Strickland, and those sort of deals that have been in the market, Bright Star's acquisitions, and their building of a mill. We see ourselves in that mix. We're in the right spot. We're 2 hours north of Kalgoorlie, very close to Genesis. Their Gwalia mill is only 60 k's up the road. Why not do a deal with us?
So, Humphrey, upcoming news, what are you working on?
Absolutely. We're going to get some geophys on the high grade zones within Swiftsure, see if that lights up, and if that does, that'll give us a tool to target the high grade zones more effectively with the drilling, more efficiently. It's a bit of a test. That'll happen at the end of September, and then following quickly after that, in October, we'll be back drilling at Kookynie to go deep beneath Swiftsure, chasing those high grade bonanza ounce dirt shoots, and also north and south at Tiptoe and Valiant. Get some results before Christmas, and then maybe second round into January, depending on what we find.
certainly a busy final quarter. Humphrey, good to catch up. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Andy.